Hi and welcome back. This video is going to be pretty different than most. One, because it's the first time I'm using power tools on the channel. And the second is because this is about my workout setup and kind of a DIY. So I think one thing we can all relate to in the dead of winter, that we're all getting a little bit restless and wanting to be outside. I'm spending a little bit more screen time now that I'm posting and editing videos. I also have a desk job that I work from home most days for, so I'm going to be putting together a desk for my treadmill. You can utilize this for different types of treadmills. If you don't have a treadmill but are interested in one, go check Facebook Marketplace. Most people are trying to give them away. So a lot of the treadmill desks that I see are either very expensive or don't meet all of my needs. What I want is something that is a little bit elevated. Like the tray part on my treadmill is down a little bit lower. So for typing, for video calls, so I can maintain productivity, I want it to be raised a little bit. I also want room to have, anything else I want to put up here. My phone, my coffee, my water. A lot of treadmill desks kind of take up the cup holder space, so I wanted to make sure I still had room for that. And also I wanted to do it on a budget and reuse some of the items that we have here. Just like we do in the kitchen, we're picking up random stuff from around the house to put the treadmill desk together. So let's get started. Okay, so this is an extra shelf that we had here laying around the house. We're going to fix this into the cup holders. It is going to be removable, but that's going to give it a nice, sturdy, centered base. So what we need to do first is drill through the center of these holes so that we can fix the base onto the desk. One down, one to go. I was very nervous I was going to drill into the table. If you've watched any of my cooking videos, you're probably a little bit concerned to see me using power tools. I am too. All right, so we flipped it over. This is the side that's going to be the top of the desk now. We have our countersink bit on the drill. And so what this will do is we'll use it to drill, and it will allow the screw to sit flush with the desk so it's not sticking out. All right, now we took that plumbing fitting with the wood inside of it and positioned it underneath the desk. This will be the top of the desk. How we knew how to do that is before we started this project, we took the shelf downstairs, we lined it up with those cup holders, and we kind of traced around. So we knew exactly where we wanted them. So I just put those pieces and lined them up with that hole, with that circle that we had traced underneath. So now we're just going to drill down through so we can catch that second piece of wood down below to attach it. All right, now let's get this attached. We have a screw on the drill. We're ready to go. Do I keep going? Okay, so now we have these wood pieces drilled into the shelf that we're using as a desk. So now we're going to drill through the plastic piece into these wood pieces to prepare to fix those together. It's slippery. Okay, so we have our final product here. These will fit into the cup holders. Not super pretty, but you won't see them at all. One thing that I did want to note is that I had even bought the 3-inch PVC pipe that would fit into these if it did need to be elevated a little bit more. I'm only 5'3", so this is going to be the perfect height for me. But if this is something you want to accommodate for yourself, just get some of that PVC and you can kind of elongate it and make it a little bit taller. So let's go check it out on the treadmill. Okay, we have the desk on. This checks both boxes for me, low cost as well as low fuss. This is not something I'll have to configure and strap on every time I want to use it. It just sets right on. So I am so excited for this. My goal is any screen time I have, whether that's editing videos, checking up on social media, anything like that, I want to be active while I'm doing it. So I'm so excited for this. Thanks for tagging along on tonight's DIY project, and we will see you back next time.